Good morning, students. Myself, Rajiv Verma, is going to start physics. Before starting this chapter, I want to discuss few things with you. Actually, if we are discussing about the syllabus of physics, in ninth class, you have studied about distance, speed, acceleration, force, Newton's laws of motion, work, energy, power, etc. In 10th, you have studied about electrostatic, electric current, charges, electric potential, ray optics, human eye, etc. In 11th again, we are going to discuss about kinematics. Means few topics are exploring here which you have studied already in ninth standard. To start physics in this lecture, I am taking chapter number 2, that is units and measurement. Because in chapter number 1, few fundamental things are given, few inventions and their scientists, few principles, which are the introductory part. We will take that chapter later on. Now, we are going to start this chapter, and the name of the chapter is units and measurement. In this chapter, first of all, I want to tell you that we are going to discuss about these topics. First is physical quantities, types of physical quantities, measurement, physical unit, types of units, system of units. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about these topics only. Now we are taking one by one. First is physical quantities. Now, I want to ask you question that what are physical quantities? According to theories, this is a standard definition that the quantities which can be measured directly or indirectly are called physical quantities. For example, length, mass, time, speed, etc. But what is physical quantity? In simple way, actually in ninth class, as I have discussed uh, before this, you have studied about distance, which is equivalent to length, time, speed, velocity, acceleration, force. Means physical quantities are those which can be measured. What is measurement? If we are comparing the things, जैसे कि आप मार्केट जाते हैं, वहां से आप कुछ चीज परचेज करके लाते हैं विद द बेस ऑफ मेजरमेंट. जैसे आप फ्रूट्स ला रहे हैं तो 1 kg 2 kg. आप स्टडी कर रहे हैं 1 hour 2 hour, टाइम का मेजरमेंट है. अगर हम बच्चों के हाइट का को मेज़र करना चाहें तो ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स आर हैविंग ऑलमोस्ट डिफरेंट हाइट्स. आपका वेट, यू कैन मेजर योर वेट ऑल्सो. मीन्स द क्वांटिटीज विच कैन बी मेजर्ड बाय एनी मेथड आर फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज. जैसे हम लेंथ मेजर कर सकते हैं, स्पीड मेजर कर सकते हैं, टाइम मेजर कर सकते हैं, टेम्परेचर मेजर कर सकते हैं. तो ये सभी फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज कहलाती हैं. या हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि अब तक till this date, whatever you have studied in physics, for example, distance, speed, acceleration, momentum, force, work, energy, power, इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल, these all आर फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज। यानी अब तक आपने जो भी क्वांटिटीज को मेजर्ड करने के लिए यूज की हैं वो सभी फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज कहलाती हैं। अगर मैं क्लास में होता तो आपसे अगर एग्जाम्पल्स पूछता तो आई थिंक आप लेंथ, मास, टाइम, स्पीड से अलग भी बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल दे पाते। नाउ वी आर मूविंग in the second point, that is types of physical quantities. Physical quantities can be divided into two parts: fundamental quantities and derived quantities. Fundamental quantities are also known as base quantities. These quantities are also known as independent quantities. Independent, fundamental means the quantities which are independent of other quantities. These are fixed or and 7 in number. For example, mass, length, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity and amount of substance. Means जो फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज हैं दोज आर द बेस ऑफ फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज। यानी इन्हीं के बेस पर हम अदर क्वांटिटीज के बारे में जान पाते हैं। ये सिर्फ 7 हैं। यानी फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज की अगर हम नंबर की बात करें तो दीज आर फिक्स्ड 7। जब कभी हम स्टडी करते थे तब भी ये 7 थी, अभी भी 7 ही है। टिल नाउ दीज आर 7 ओनली। और एंड जो मैंने यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल में मेंशन की हैं सिर्फ दीज क्वांटिटीज आर नोन एज फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज। ओके,